Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can create a batch call from your 11 Labs AI telephony account, right, to the leads whom you want to call for your business, right. So as you can see, we are into dashboard of 11 Labs, right, and here we are having an option of outbound. Right now, as this is a simply free account, right, so it will only call on the verified numbers, right. So if you are running an account which is free, right, and you have not purchased the premium of Twilio and 11 Labs, then let me tell you that you can only make calls to the verified number. For making calls to all numbers or customer numbers, you need to purchase the premium account of 11 Labs and the Twilio, which would cost on and around like you can say $30, right, in a month. So as you can see here, I'm just going to create a batch call telephony, right. So this is a trial account, right. So let me tell you how you can add any other number apart from your own phone number. You can simply go to the Twilio and the active numbers, right, and here there is an option of verified caller IDs, right. Here right now this is the only verified caller ID. You can add a new caller ID from here. You can simply enter the country code, number, and the method from which you want to receive the OTP, right, and you can simply verify your own other family members number, right, and then you can add it for testing using the 11 Labs. You can simply test a call on some another number, right. Now I'm just going to tell you using my other ad account, using my another 11 Labs account, right, which is verified. Okay, let me sign in. It will ask for the authentication code, might be. Okay, so this is my premium account, right, and using this we are just going to create a batch call. So as you can see in the left side, there is an option of outbound. You can simply go to outbound, and as you can see, I have recently launched a batch call, and now I'm going to click on create a batch call telephony, and here I'm just entering trial 2, and here I can select the phone number, right, and I can select the agent as well, right. I have created the agent with name of Shreya over here. Here you can select the branch to main branch, and from here you can download the template in which you need to arrange your contact number in the same format, right. Basically this is a CSV format, right, and as you can see, phone numbers are getting displayed. Let me delete, right. You need to delete all those columns which you are not going to fill any details, right, and I would not recommend you to fill the details in these columns. Just keep the phone number column, right, and the phone number should be written in the same manner, make sure, right, and here you can just enter whatever the number you want to add, right, along with the country code, make sure, right. So I'm just entering 2 numbers over here, right. You can add n number of numbers over here. Make sure your Twilio account is recharged, right. So I'm just entering 2 mobile numbers over here, and I'm going to select this column, and then I'm just going to change the general to number and remove these 2 decimals and then save. Okay, now we are just going to upload this file over here, right. So I'm going to click on upload and upload it from the downloads, right. Okay, and click on open, and then I'm just going to submit a batch call, right. So whether you want to send immediately or you can schedule for later as well, you can simply enter the date and time over here, and if you want to send these call immediately, just select send immediately and click on submit a batch call, and your calls would be triggered on these numbers, right. So as you can see, our batch has been created and I have started receiving the call, right? So whenever I pick the call, then as you can see,
मैं श्रेया डिजिटल बिकाना से बात कर रही हूँ। आपने हमारे
Hi
डिजिटल
Shreya,
मार्केटिंग कोर्स में इंटरेस्ट। हाय, कैसे हैं आप? अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके।
I am absolutely fine.
आपने हम बहुत अच्छा सुनकर
So as you can see, it is just communicating with me, right? So you can ask any questions, right? Make sure your AI agent is in the right language uh, as per your location, right? So as you can see, our this batch have been started, and when we click on this batch, then as you can see, the calls had been made on both the numbers, right? And you can listen these calls, by clicking on this number, for example. And as you can see, the connection duration was on and around 23 seconds, right? And 167 credits has been utilized, right? And which cost on and around this much, right? And here, from here, you can simply hear the audio call, right? And you can also check the transcription from here, right? The agent said this and I answered this, right? The agent said this and I answered this. So in similar way, you can simply understand what your customers or probable customer or prospect customers are discussing with your AI agent, and then you can reach to the conclusion whether that particular lead is of high quality, low quality, or medium quality. Then you can give directions to your office staff to make those people call which are of high quality, right? And get the business converted. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.